How's it going, guys? It's IDrivestuff, and in this video I'm just going to go over the differences between 87 Octane and 93 Octane with my most speed shop, and what the 0 to 60 you can expect from switching octanes and the tune. I didn't really know. 93 is very expensive right now, so I really wanted to find out. I used Draggy, figure out my 0 to 60s, and then I averaged them together. I did 5 runs with both cars. 2 on each run were invalid, so I'm just going to exclude those. I'm going to only use verified valid 0 to 60 runs, meaning it wasn't more or less than a 1% grade. Alright, so starting with 87 Octane, I averaged a 7.55 second 0 to 60. My 93 tune on, I averaged a 7.47 second 0 to 60. That's 0.08 of a second on average. And the 93 tune had to drive through hotter, muggier weather. Now, overall, but dyno, the car feels faster on 93. With gas, by me at Costco, it's a 73-cent spread between 87 and 93 Octane. And that adds up pretty quick, especially if you're going to be daily driving your car. Now, it is my opinion that you should never use 93 if you're daily driving the car. Only use 87, save your money. You're literally just throwing it down the toilet. But that's not to say 93 tune isn't useless, because if you're going to the track, you're going to autocross, something like that, yeah, of course, use 93. You'll get another 1/10 of a second out of it, roughly. Your results may vary. I encourage you to go and test your own car, but this is just what I experienced with mine, and there you go. Have a good one.